Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer has a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him, you would ever say it glows like a light bulb. All the other reindeers used to call him mean names like Pinocchio. And if
they never let poor Rudolph
they join in any reindeer games. Rudolph the
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Rudolph with the nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down
into the story.